Meaning of Guards Regiment.
Guards Regiment.
Guards Regiment.
Guards Regiment.
Guards Regiment. A Guards Regiment is a type of military unit that serves as the personal guard of a monarch or head of state. These highly trained and elite soldiers are responsible for protecting the individual they serve, as well as important buildings and sites. Guards regiments are often steeped in tradition and have a long history of service to their respective countries. In addition to their protective duties, they may also participate in official ceremonies and events, further highlighting their importance and prestige. Overall, Guards regiments are integral to the safety and security of their nation's leaders.